Margarine-based chocolate cake. Take notes. Margarine-based chocolate cake. That's the 9th recipe.
Okay, this recipe calls for 500 grams of flour, 400 grams of sugar, 8 eggs, 500 grams of margarine, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, then 5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, then 1 cup of evaporated milk,
1 cup of evaporated milk,
then 4 tablespoons of dark treacle,
4 tablespoons of dark treacle,
then 2 teaspoons of chocolate flavor, the extract.
Teaspoons of chocolate flavor extract.
So if you're using essence, you can use 4 teaspoons of chocolate flavor essence. Then desired quantity of browning. Then 4 tablespoons of dark treacle. Did you get me? 500 grams of flour, 400 grams of sugar, 8 eggs, 500 grams of margarine, Sarona margarine, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, then 1 cup of Hollandia evaporated milk, then 4 tablespoons of dark treacle, then 2 teaspoons of chocolate flavor extract, then desired quantity of browning. You can add little, you can add much, depending on how you want the color to appear. So now in this bowl, I have my sugar, my margarine, and my flavor. So this time around, I'm not premixing because this is a brown cake. So the effect might not really show. So this here we have sugar, margarine, and flavor. In this bowl, we are going to start creaming right now. So if you want increased batter, you can double or multiply the recipe.
Well done, cherished pastries. Well done, well-fed team. God bless and replenish you. Thank you. Since yesterday, in and out of season. God bless you. God bless you. Well done, Chelma, well done. Waxing stronger and stronger, in and out of season. The rain has got nothing on us. Well done. Well done. Thank you, Claire. Thank you, Chidera. God bless you. Before you ask for help, you will receive. You call for 1, 1,000 will answer. God bless you all in the name of Jesus. Thank you so much. While you are stretching out to collect what has your name on it, be very alert because I'm going to be giving out freebies. And that will depend on those that were attentive when the recipe queen was teaching. Because I'm going to be calling on you to tell me, let me keep that coded. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate you all. Since morning, God bless you.
now it's time for me to add the eggs. So I'll be adding it gradually till all enters. So I've finished adding the eggs. So the next thing to add right now is the dry ingredients. So in this bowl, I have my flour, my baking powder, and my cocoa powder. Flour, baking powder, and cocoa powder. So it's time for me to add the dry ingredients together with the milk. So this is my 1 cup of evaporated milk. So I'm going to alternate it into the mixture. So I'll keep adding till all the dry ingredients and the milk enters into the mixture. So I'm going to add the last batch of the dry ingredients and the milk. So right now, I'll now add my 4 tablespoons of dark treacle. I have 4 tablespoons of dark treacle in here. So now I will have to add desired quantity of browning. So I'll start with maybe say 2 tablespoons of browning. So I'm using the Payless Baker browning.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Payless in the building. Payless browning, second to none.
I don't really like the color. I'll add like one more tablespoon of browning. It's light brown.
Don't eat and forget to be attentive, because there is gifts and there are gifts for those that will be able to do what? This gift where I want give you now 1 month, you will never go market.
So now
You trust me, I come big.
my cake batter is ready. So I'll give it a stir.
Well done, Choma. I see you. It's your calm for me, your inner peace. Father, bless me with this kind of peace. Oh.
So now our cake batter is ready.
Hey, number 9. Hey, what Choma cannot bake? What Choma cannot bake? Ladies and gentlemen, it up for the recipe queen, Africa's best, second to none. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Glamour Gold Cake and Event, the convener of the cake experience. Put your hands together. This woman has more than 1,000 and 2,000 and 3,000 people in cake making, decorating, and painting on cakes. Thank you, ma'am. We are glad to have you. Please kindly give us a word of encouragement, encouraging the rest and the crowd. Thank you. Wow.
When I say Shoma, say the recipe queen. Shoma. It's not easy. Please let's give her a round of applause. She's setting the pace for us bakers. This is not yours and race. It's our race. It's our race. It's our battle. So she must win it. She must bring the crown home. Please let's give her a round of applause. Mama Shoma, congratulations. It's a win already. Congratulations and kudos to you. Thank you for setting the pace for us bakers in the industry. Thank you for, bringing us out. Because so many people in the industry, they don't really know that you can actually do bake at all. And this is our own race. So we have started it and it will end in praise. Give her a round of applause.
Go Choma, go! So we want to bring up one of our celebrities, and I'm calling the CEO of Odum Chris and Cakes. Odum Chris and Cakes in the building.
Say Chomsy. In fact, I'm so excited to be here. I'm super excited to be here. And please, if there's anything you're going to do for Madam Chioma today, is to give her a lot of hype. And we're going to hype us. Are you ready? Are you ready? You are not sounding like you are ready. You know the sound. Yeah. Make some noise for Chioma. Say, go Chioma, go. Hey, go Chioma, go. This sound is louder. Let's go. Say, go Chioma, go. Wash it. Let's go here. You say, go Chioma, go. Your noise is not enough. This side, let's go. Say, go Chioma, go. Done. Well done. So I want to wish you all the best because I know we are finishing strong now. We are finishing